Bosch Dishwasher Repair Services in Dallas and Fort Worth specialize in Bosch dishwashers that consist of Bosch front-load dishwashers and Bosch top-load dishwasher repair, along with all other Bosch dishwasher models. If you are having problems with your Bosch dishwasher, such as your dishwasher doesn't clean, your dishwasher won't drain, your dishwasher buttons don't work, your dishwasher lights are flashing, possibly your dishwasher is leaking, the dishwasher won't start, the dishwasher's door won't latch, the dishwasher won't fill, the dishwasher's overflowing. Whatever the problem, we can help. Call us today at 214-260-7732.